How to fix the bad upload quality on Instagram. So welcome back to another video, guys. If you have a problem where your Instagram posts, reels or stories have a bad or low quality when you upload them on Instagram, then this video is for you. Let's open the Instagram app on our device and go to your profile. Now tap on the three lines at the top right and now open the settings and privacy. Scroll down and open this data usage and media quality. You'll see these two options. Make sure that this use less mobile data is disabled because that limits the amount of mobile data that Instagram uses. But if we want high quality uploads, we need more mobile data, so disable the first option and enable the second option called upload at highest quality. This will allow Instagram to always upload your content at the best possible resolution and quality, even if the uploads take longer. And you also have to make sure that your internet connection is good and stable. If your internet is bad, then you may want to switch from Wi-Fi to using mobile data or vice versa. If you had a slow or unstable internet connection, then maybe that is the reason why your uploads were low quality. And those are the three methods that you can use to fix bad upload quality on Instagram. But if this still didn't work for you, then exit Instagram and open the settings on your device. Then find the camera settings and open it, and make sure that the options are set to record videos and capture photos at the highest quality available for your device. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.